Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nicholas, and this is an educative video that we are going to make today. Today we are going to see the wiring systems. So without much ado, let's dive into it. When we talk about wiring systems, we're talking about the assembly of parts of electrical parts in the formation of one or more electrical circuits. These are the electrical components that are put together. It includes cables, it includes the joints, the junction boxes, which are assembled together to make an electrical circuit. So before you do any wiring installation, there are always factors to consider, and one of them is the durability of the installation. Is the installation you are going to do going to last longer, or it is just a temporary installation with a short life? So if it is a longer lasting, you know which materials to use, which type of wiring to do. Another thing is the appearance of the finished installation. We know that electrical installation in a industry setup or home setup is not the same as compared to the office setup. You need to do something that its appearance is actually corresponding to the environment. The flexibility is the wiring system flexible in such a way that can extensions be done in future, or it is just a fix? That's another thing to consider. Another thing is the type of building. Is it a permanent building, a timber house, or just a semi-permanent? You also consider that. And then installation condition to be withstood, such as dampness, fumes. So the environment also matters a lot, and the condition around, like the installation in the submarines. It's not the same as the installation in a dry land. The cost of installation is also another factor to be considered. You see, the amount of money that you want to spend in certain installation depends much with the cost of that installation. Another very important thing is the safety. This is the most sensitive factor to be considered above all. The type of system selected should provide safety to the user. So let's see types of wiring systems. One is PVC sheeted wiring system. What is PVC sheeted wiring system? In this type of system, wiring system, conductors are insulated with PVC and an overall sheet of PVC for protection against mechanical damage. Fixing is usually by thin brass buckle clips fixed to the surface with brass steel pins or hardened PVC cable clips. We normally call it cable clips. The one with plastic and with a nail, where you fix them. You fix them at an interval of 250 millimeters for horizontal runs and 400 millimeters for vertical runs. So PVC is normally affected by oil and high temperatures. So let's see the advantage of using PVC sheeted wiring system. We can say it's relatively cheap, very true. It's easy to install, which is also very true. However, there are the disadvantages that comes along with it. One of the disadvantages is that do not offer adequate protection against mechanical damage. This is because the cable itself is laid on the surface. It is not even passed through anything like a pipe. It's just lie on the surface. So in case of any sharp objects around, it can cut the wire. So it does not offer protection. Another thing, PVC system is available as the circular or flat twin with up, trico, with Earth Chinkoko, as in there is no such standard. You can just find anyhow. As we continue seeing the types of wiring, the number 2 that I want us to see is the steel conduit system. In this system, annealed mild steel tubing is widely used for enclosing VIR or BVC insulated cables. The conduit is annealed so that it may be readily bent or set to any angle without breaking. So in this type of system, you pass a cable inside a metal or metallic tube. In this case, this will act as mechanical protection. Mostly they are galvanized and they are annealed, as you have seen, so that when you twist to any angle, it can just adjust it accordingly. So the conduit system are classified according as we have light gauge conduit and we also have heavy gauge conduit. Conduit fittings. These are used for electrical and mechanical continuity of conduit during installation. All conduit fittings must be of the inspection type except at termination. These include grip fittings, screwed elbows, circular or square boxes, split types, junction boxes, among many others. Fixing of the conduit on the surface is done by saddle clips and crampets. What are the advantages of steel conduits? They are longer lasting, as we have seen. A metallic pipe lasts longer, provided that it is in a condition which is moisture free. They provide an earth return path. You see also, it can act as an earth return. For in some cases, you terminate the earth cable to the metallic pipe and it acts as an earth. It provides mechanical protection, like I've said, it's very strong and durable, can be easily extended, can also provide low fire risk. However, it has the advantages. One is it's very expensive. Another one, it takes longer time to install. It's not something you install very easily. Another thing, it requires a lot of skill to cut, thread and bend and fix the pipes. Metallic pipes cannot be installed by just anyone. You need skills on how to cut them, how to make threads and how to bend them. Another disadvantage is that they are liable to corrosion, like I've told you. So this comes to the end of our presentation today. We will continue still with the same topic next week. So if you really did like this video, I would actually request that you may hit the like button. You may also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more educational videos, and you can share as well. And also, if you have any concern, you can write in the comment below. Any comment, is positive or negative criticism, we will accept it. Otherwise, again, thank you for your time.